Welcome to today's VPN review. We'll tackle one of the best leading VPNs in the market, ExpressVPN, and how to use and set it up. We'll provide how well the features actually work in the real world and then discuss some cons as well. Don't forget to check out the video description for links that give you access to the best deals. We're always working to get any special deals or discounts for our viewers. So if you click on the link in the description, it will automatically send you to the best and most updated deal there is. Let's start with ExpressVPN's features and pros. First off, they have a zero-log policy. ExpressVPN is based outside the US. It's in the British Virgin Islands, so it's away from NSA spying. Currently, there are 3,000 plus servers in 160 VPN server locations in 94 countries. Now, they do have unlimited and high-quality bandwidth because of their optimized servers. They also have a kill switch. It's industry-leading, and it's really a must-have. And for anyone who's doing a lot of torrenting or file sharing in particular. This means that even if you get disconnected from the app, you can rest assured that there wouldn't be any data leak and you won't be in any trouble. The apps for Express have built-in speed tests and they do support anonymous Bitcoin payments. They have military-grade encryption, which is best in class, and their apps are easy to use. They're actually award-winning, and they're available for virtually every platform and device. So Windows, Mac, smart TVs, Linux, mobile, all the different devices. They have 24/7 live chat support that is available for immediate concerns and technical troubleshooting, and that's an important distinction. Their knowledge base is also extensive. You can easily do the troubleshooting yourself if you're not fond of going through customer support. To top it off, they have an unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee for full peace of mind, and that's important so you can try it out. Make sure you like it, and if it's something that doesn't work for you, you can always get your money back. You can easily cancel your subscription via contacting customer support to get a full refund. They're that confident with the service and features they are providing. So now, how well does ExpressVPN work in real-life applications? Well, the app itself, or the VPN, is easy to set up. It's easy to install both for the tech-savvy or a newbie. If this is the first VPN you've used, you'll find it very simple and easy to set up. It's designed for the non-tech-savvy in mind. The app's to connect fast servers. This means there's no waiting and downloads really fast. So for example, there's no lagging when you're streaming or torrenting or gaming. And it's extremely reliable, so there's no minimal dropped connections. They rarely occur, but when they do occur, the kill switch works flawlessly. They have a one-click, a smart location that's very easy to use. ExpressVPN is one of the top VPNs that can bypass geo-restrictions on major streaming platforms like Netflix, BBS iPlayer, DAZN, Hulu, and more. If you want to dig into more app settings and play with protocols and encryption levels, you can do that. ExpressVPN has a lot of security protocols that you can choose from. You can opt to switch to Lightway, which is a good choice and a protocol made by ExpressVPN, OpenVPN UDP or TCP, IKEv2 or L2TP/IPsec. Normally, you'll want to choose between Lightway and OpenVPN. The rest of the protocols are outdated, although they may be better for Windows XP. What I like is that ExpressVPN provides a description of each protocol so that you don't have to memorize the differences between them. Now that being said, there are some cons that you might want to consider a different VPN. If you need or want more than 5 devices that you can connect to simultaneously, and you want to go with a different VPN, and lastly, cost. Although the cost is certainly fair given everything you're getting, it's on the higher side for most VPNs. So if you're someone in a situation where you don't necessarily want the best, you want something that's adequate and will do a good job, you can probably go with a different VPN like Surfshark, where you can connect to unlimited devices for a cheaper price. So if you ask me, would I recommend ExpressVPN? Absolutely. And for a lot of people, I would say this would be a number one choice. That's what I really like about ExpressVPN. Whether you want to do torrenting, streaming, and unblocking streaming sites and apps, gaming, browsing the dark web, file sharing, and using a VPN for travel or unsecured Wi-Fi connections. Apart from this, should you encounter any issues or problem, they have a great support team to help you out 24/7. So overall, this is currently my number one pick for best overall VPN. It's the one I love using. Just to remind you again, if you'd like to get ExpressVPN, feel free to use the link in the description below for the latest deals available. If you're not convinced, you can try it 100% risk-free. That's it for today. If you have any questions or you want to share your experience using ExpressVPN, feel free to share it in the comments below. As usual, we'd appreciate it if you can like and subscribe to get on our channel and to get the latest reviews, updates, and deals.